Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second set of MCQs of your chapter Diesel Power Plant from the subject Power Plant Engineering. Okay, yesterday or in the last video we have already discussed the set 1 of MCQ of Diesel Power Plant. Today we are going to discuss the second set of MCQs. So see the question. First question number 1. Maximum temperature which is developed in the cylinder of a diesel engine is of the order of. So during our four operations that are carried out in the diesel engine, the maximum amount of or maximum temperature which is developed in the cylinder is in the order of. Here four options are there. Option 1, 1000 to 1500 degrees Celsius, then 1500 to 2000 degrees Celsius, 2000 to 2500 degrees Celsius, and 2500 degree to 3000 degrees Celsius. What is the order of temperature, maximum temperature that is developed in the diesel engine? So you have to remember this option, this answer, that is 2000 to 2500 degrees Celsius temperature is developed in the engine cylinder of diesel engine. Okay. Next question, question number 2. In a four-stroke cycle engine, the four operations, namely suction, compression, expansion and exhaust, are completed in the number of revolution of crankshaft equal to. How many revolutions are required in a four-stroke cycle engine for completing all these operations? Okay, we have already discussed in your chapter, that is for four-stroke cycle engine we require 2 revolutions, that is 2 operations are carried out in 1 revolution. Okay, and in case of if we take 2-stroke cycle engine, then we require 1 revolution to complete all these operations. Next question is about that. So read the question. In a 2-stroke cycle engine, the operations, namely suction, compression, expansion and exhaust, are completed in the number of revolution of crankshaft equals to, as I told before, for 2-stroke cycle engine we require 1 revolution. Okay, here the answer is 1. Next, question number 4. The following is an CI engine. The following is an SI engine. So SI full form is spark ignition. Which one is the spark ignition engine? We have already knew that for starting of combustion or ignition, one spark is required by means of a spark plug. Which engine that? That is the petrol engine. So SI engines are your petrol engine. The next question. The following is CI engine. So before this question we discussed SI engine, and now it is asking CI engine. So options are diesel engine, petrol engine, gas engine, none of the above. So CI full form is compression ignition engine. So the engine in which by means of compression we are not using any spark plug to spark. Only by means of compression the ignition will begin. Which type of engine is that? We have already knew that this is diesel engine. In diesel engine we first take air, and that air is compressed to a certain pressure there, so that when the fuel is injected or sprinkled on the air, it will catch fire and the ignition will start. So the option 1, that is diesel engine, is the right answer. Next, question number 6. In a 4-stroke cycle petrol engine, during suction stroke, what happens? In a 4-stroke cycle petrol engine, during suction stroke, first bit only air is sucked, second bit only petrol is sucked in, third one mixture of petrol and air is sucked in, and fourth one is none of the above. So in petrol engine we have already knew that we use carburetor, where in the carburetor both petrol and air mixture will be occur, and during the suction stroke that mixture will enter into the engine cylinder. So in 4-stroke petrol engine, 2-stroke petrol engine, 4-stroke petrol engine, the mixture of petrol and air is sucked in during the suction stroke. Okay, the answer C, that is mixture of petrol and air is sucked in. Next, question number 7, that is in a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine during suction stroke. In a 4-stroke cycle diesel engine. The question number 6 is about 4-stroke petrol engine and 7 is about 4-stroke diesel engine. So in petrol engine, as we have discussed, mixture of petrol and air is sucked in during suction stroke. Then what happens in diesel engine? The options are only air is sucked, only fuel is sucked in, then mixture of fuel and air is sucked in, and last one is none of the above. So as we have already discussed, in case of diesel engine, the only air is sucked during the suction stroke. Then during compression stroke, this air is compressed to a high with a high compression ratio. After that, fuel is injected, and by that the ignition will start and our operation is carried out. So for diesel engine, we only air is entered during the suction stroke. That's why option A is the correct answer, that is only air is sucked. Next, question number 8, that is the ratio of brake power to indicated power of an IC engine is called. In the previous set we have discussed about the efficiencies. So here it is given that the ratio of brake power, that is BP, to indicated power, BP by IP, is called. So BP by IP is called the mechanical efficiency of the engine. So answer is option A, that is mechanical efficiency of the engine. Other options are also there, but our answer is mechanical efficiency. Next, question number 9. The specific fuel consumption of diesel engine as compared to that of the petrol engine. Specific fuel consumption, what is that? Specific fuel consumption is the rate of fuel consumed divided by the shaft power or brake power. Okay. So this is what happened whether it is high in diesel engine or in petrol engine. So it is the comparison that is given. Option 1 is lower, option 2 is higher, option 3 is same for same output, and D is none of the above. So we already knew that, even we have calculated some problems also on this topic, that is specific fuel consumption of a diesel engine as compared to that of the petrol engine, which is lower. Specific fuel consumption of diesel engine is lower as compared to petrol engine. So answer A is your right answer, that is lower. Okay. These are some questions we have discussed today. Even in the next video, we will discuss another set of questions on diesel power plant. Till then, study it properly, and thank you.